SEBA Insert 2024 to 2025 Class 9. English Grammar. Important notice writing. Fully solved in one short video. 1. You are Pramila Priyam, the Sports Secretary of Kokrajhar Senior Secondary School, Kokrajhar. Write a notice suitable for your school notice board giving the details for participation of students in a football tournament to be organized by your school. Kokrajhar Senior Secondary School, Kokrajhar. Notice. Date, 24th July 2024. Football tournament participation. All students are invited to participate in the upcoming football tournament organized by our school. Interested students must register with the undersigned by 31st July 2024. Practice sessions begin on 1st August 2024. Pramila Priyam, Sports Secretary. 2. You are Malita Navjeet. As the Secretary of the Cultural Club of your school, you have organized a cultural evening on the last day of your college as a Thanksgiving program. Write a notice for your college notice board, giving necessary information about the program in not more than 50 words. Saraswati Vidya Niketan, Panibhora. Notice. Date, 24th July 2024. Cultural Evening Announcement. All students are invited to a cultural evening organized by the Cultural Club as a Thanksgiving program. The event will be held on the last day of college, 31st July 2024, from 5 p.m. in the school auditorium. Join us for an evening of performances and gratitude. Malita Navjeet, Secretary, Cultural Club. 3. You are Rumi Nurul. As the President of the Literacy Club of your school, you have organized an inter-school debate competition on the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebrations of your school. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students of your school about the competition. Saraswati Vidya Niketan, Panibhora. Notice. Date, 24th July 2024. Inter-school debate competition. All students are invited to participate in an inter-school debate competition organized by the Literacy Club as part of our school's Silver Jubilee celebrations. The event will take place on 15th August 2024. Interested participants should register with the undersigned by 5th August 2024. Rumi Nurul, President, Literacy Club. 4. You are the Secretary of the Dramatic Club of your college. Write out a notice for your school board inviting names of those who would like to participate in the proposed recitation of poetry competition organized by the club on 4th April 2023. Saraswati Vidya Niketan, Panibhora. Notice. Date, 24th March 2023. Poetry recitation competition. The Dramatic Club is organizing a poetry recitation competition on 4th April 2023. Students interested in participating are requested to submit their names to the undersigned by 31st March 2023. Join us for a celebration of poetic talent. Your name. Secretary, Dramatic Club. 5. As Secretary of the Eco Club of St. Peter School, Shillong, draft a notice in not more than 50 words informing the club members about the screening of Richard Attenborough's Gandhi in the school's audiovisual room. St. Peter School, Shillong. Notice. Date, 24th July 2024. Eco Club Screening Event. All Eco Club members are invited to a screening of Richard Attenborough's Gandhi in the school's audiovisual room on 1st August 2024 at 3 p.m. Attendance is highly encouraged. Your name. Secretary, Eco Club. Six. Write out a notice in the school notice board inviting students to give their names for a fancy dress competition. Kokrajhar Senior Secondary School, Kokrajhar. Notice. Date, 24th July 2024. Fancy dress competition. All students are invited to participate in the upcoming fancy dress competition. Interested students should submit their names to the undersigned by 31st July 2024. Join us for a fun and creative event. Your name. Your position. 7. You are Gaurav Mridusmita, the Cultural Secretary of the school. Write a notice suitable for your college notice board giving details for participation of students in a cultural program to be organized by your school. Kokrajhar Senior Secondary School, Kokrajhar. Notice. Date, 24th July 2024. Participation in cultural program. All students are invited to participate in the upcoming cultural program organized by our school. The event will be held on 10th August 2024. Interested students should register with the undersigned by 1st August 2024. Let's showcase our talents and celebrate our culture. Gaurav Mridusmita, Cultural Secretary. 8. Your hair salon is shifting to another premise. Frame a notice informing your patrons about the main address. Notice. Date, 24th July 2024. Important notice, relocation of hair salon. Dear patrons, we are excited to announce that our hair salon is moving to a new location. Starting 1st August 2024, our new address will be 123 New Lane, City Centre, Kokrajhar. We look forward to welcoming you to our new premises. Thank you for your continued support. Your name. Salon name. 9. Your school is holding a summer camp for training students in a football and table tennis. Write a notice of the scheduled program. You are the sports secretary of the school. Kokrajhar Senior Secondary School, Kokrajhar. Notice. Date, 24th July 2024. Summer camp, football and table tennis training. Our school is organizing a summer camp to train students in football and table tennis. The camp will run from 5th August to 20th August, 2024. Training sessions will be held daily. Football, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Table tennis, 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Interested students should register by 1st August 2024. Your name. Sports Secretary. 10. You are the editor of your college magazine. Write a notice in your college notice board inviting articles for the college magazine. Kokrajhar Senior Secondary School, Kokrajhar. Notice. Date, 24th July 2024. Invitation for articles. We are inviting all students to contribute articles for the upcoming college magazine. Please submit your original articles, essays, poems, or short stories by 10th August 2024. Send your submissions to the magazine office or email them to email address. Let your creativity shine. Your name. Editor, College Magazine.